Hey everyone, Rick Zinkel here. I'm in the shop of one of our integrators in Houston, and they've allowed me to come into the shop to help talk about some of the things that we talk about on a daily basis. So first of all, I want to talk to you about a control panel. We talk about drives and enclosures, and this is how it happens. This is where it starts. We start with the back panel, which is this white rectangular panel that we have here, in which we lay out and design and mount all the components that go within the design of the system that we spec out per the customer's requirements are laid out on this back panel. They're mounted, affixed, and then we wire all the devices per UL and NEC codes that tell us what the wiring radius is and the bends need to be in order to satisfy the codes. So we've laid out the components on the back panel. We'll come in and wire it per the customer specifications and all the components within it. And then we'll take this back panel and we're going to mount it inside the enclosure. And the enclosure that you're going to see is what we call a NEMA3R enclosure. It's designed to be mounted outside in the elements in front of everybody, and it's protected from rain, sleet, snow. And I'll show you that here in a minute. Now we've taken the back panel from the table that we were wiring it of. You can see it's all wired together. And we've laid it and dropped it inside this enclosure right here. This particular unit has 3 drives on a common back panel. It has a PLC with a power supply, and then it also has a door-mounted HMI for interfacing with the operators in a much more graphical format than just the standard keypad on the drive. So this entire package, when it's completed, is NEMA3R, rated for outdoor service with all the protection from the elements. This is a NEMA3R custom package.